Okay, level of a dataset. Level of a dataset is telling us that what is each record about. In the previous example, this one, each record is about a city. In this one, each record is about a city in a specific date. So if you say that it's about a city, this is about the city B, this is about city B, this is about city B. You have not differentiate these records. But if you say that this is about city B in city B in this specific date, this is about city B in this specific date, city B in this specific date, then you are differentiating these records. We can average, and the thing is, if let's assume that these are from the west of England, these are from the north of England, actually, if you average these values and these values, we can have another table with the average of the cities of the west, the average of the cities of the north, of their temperature and humidity. Okay, so the level from city went up to region, let's say. Went up to region. It's possible to go to higher levels, but coming back to more granular records would be very more difficult. If I tell you that on average on the cities of the west the temperature was 10, then how can you tell me that what is the average of temperature? What is the temperature of Coventry, Birmingham, and other cities around, Walsall, and so on and so forth? Indeed, on the region, we can go one step ahead and saying that, okay, we can average all them and we can have the average of the country. But in general, it is important to recognize the level or the granularity of the records.